Hi, I'm Mike with Lake Weeders Digest, and today we're here to talk about the AirStream. People say, Mike, my bay has lily pads. How do I get rid of the lily pads? I tell them, well, that's not the real problem. The problem is the muck that's underneath the lily pads. You never find lily pads growing in nice sand bottoms. You always find it with 1 foot to 2 feet of muck. That's the problem. You get rid of the sediment, folks, and you've solved your lily pad and weed problem. How it works is it has a double stack motor. On top here we have a 1 horsepower water circulator, and on the bottom we have a 1 horsepower aerator. It draws in air from the air receptacles up above the water surface, and it brings it down through the air hoses into the aerator, which then breaks it down into tiny microbubbles. Those microbubbles get emitted from the bottom aerator, and then the top water circulator infuses them along the lake bottom. This process accelerates the decomposition of weeds, it chokes off weed growth, and more importantly, it starts reducing the sediment. What's great about this is it doesn't need to oscillate. It runs typically for about 3 to 4 weeks in one location. By doing that, it'll impact a circular acre. One of the great things about the AirStream, you can put it anywhere. But also, you don't need a DNR permit. You're circulating water. It's basically an aerator, an aqua thruster on steroids, if you will, a water circulator that infuses air along your lake bottom. People are always skeptical that this can be done. It can, when you think about it, it's just oxygen accelerating the decomposition of sediment. You can have a clean lakefront, a clean cove, a clean channel or canal. Again, the AirStream is not a dredger, it's not a water circulator, though it circulates water. Its primary function is to aerate, and through that aeration process, you accelerate the decomposition of sediment. No more dredging, no more displacing sediment, you're dissolving sediment, and you're solving your lake weed and lake muck problem.